Did you really think this would work?
Cirrus, please, we want to help you. Don't do anything hasty.
Destroying you is as easy as flicking a pest.
No!
Sana!
Kirak!
How boring and small.
You want the Atlas? Take it. It's yours. But Oriath, I will burn to the ground.
Perhaps the suffering of my fellow citizens will finally stir something.
Be utterly annihilated. Obliteration!
What's this? A real challenge? You've finally caught my attention. Die. Die.
Your lives are meaningless! Pointless! Creation itself! Fury of the cosmos! Embrace nothingness! Glorious flames!
The others found strength in their projections. They became reliant on them. I'm not so foolish. Be silent.
Is gold!
Die.
I'm not up to that just yet.
Pointless! Glorious flames! Embrace nothingness.
Is life really interesting enough to warrant all this pain? Die.
My mana is gone.
Only horror.
Die.
Watch beauty crumble! Obliteration! Be utterly annihilated! Pointless! Rain of stars! Glorious flames!
Do you yet see the futility of your efforts?
Is gold!
Die.
Watch beauty crumble! Rain of stars! Embrace nothingness. Obliteration! Fury of the cosmos! Be utterly annihilated!
The edge of death, my heart races. I am alive.
Everlasting fire!
Feel
the thrill of
The Force! Beyond, there is
I'm not up to that
only
just yet.
horror. Everlasting fire!
meaning.
Is die.
My mana is gone.
I felt something.
I'm sorry. Cirrus, this was all my fault. I'm sorry. I'm so, so sorry.